Good afternoon. We, Boris, Lynn, Lindsay, Nicole, and Shelby, are consulting behavior analysts. We are consulting Ellison School and helping them create a communication program to help reduce problem behaviors in their classroom. These problem behaviors are in the form of fighting over toys.
Individuals on the autism spectrum struggle with social skills and expressive language. A system has been developed to help these individuals, and it is called FCT. FCT stands for Functional Communication Training, and it is intended to help nonverbal people communicate and to reduce their problem behaviors. FCT is designed to streamline that process so that communicating wants, needs, and responses is less challenging. This leads to lower occurrence of problem behaviors, because many problem behaviors occur due to individuals not being able to communicate their needs. Possessing tools for communication has been clinically proven to reduce problem behaviors, which in turn can save teachers time and energy. Using FCT can also help reducing harmful effects and can help teachers and students avoid bad situations where the school might be held liable.
PECs are one of the ways that we have decided to help Ellison Elementary School. PEC stands for Picture Exchange Communication System. It was developed by Lori Frost and Andrew Bondi. PECs are most often used with nonverbal individuals. These individuals exchange pictures instead of words for preferred items and activities. PEC's purpose is to teach children with autism a fast and self-initiating functional communication system. PECs are designed for portability and can sometimes be found in the form of a binder and/or laminated for durability.
How does someone use PECs? A nonverbal person is provided a tangible board along with cutouts of everyday items and activities along with emotions to use for communicating with others. More advanced versions of PECs implement computer systems that function in similar ways to boards but allow for a streamlined user interface for more images for communicating needs or wants. These computerized PECs tools are often found as downloadable apps on iPads or other tablet devices. These advanced versions of PECs can also speak the selected item for the user, providing users with a vocal experience.
So some tips for efficient implementation. One tip is to identify common activities and train the student on recognizing those activities and/or items in their PECS binder. A second tip is to complete an ABC chart to identify what events or items act as triggers and prepare communication tools for students at those times. A last tip that we have is to provide reinforcement anytime a student uses PECs correctly. So rather in the form of verbal praise, token economy systems, access to preferred items, etc.
In addition to the teachers teaching the students a PEC system for functional communication, teachers will also be able to help students learn to functionally communicate their wants and needs through verbal requests for those students in the class that have verbal communication. So as the students who are using PECS images to be able to hand them to the teachers will also be able to assist the other students by prompting them with the particular words in which they're asking for requests, such as turn taking or a particular toy item. As teachers are having the students practice their PECs and handing them to certain teachers and using expressive teaching skills, teachers can also then have students, prompt students to use expressive verbal language to request certain items within the playtimes. As in addition to being able to have the item be the reinforcing toy or the reinforcing request from the students, teachers can also then continue to reinforce students by using verbal praise. PECs will also be used within the classroom on a daily basis so the students are able to practice using their functional communication, as well as the teachers prompting the students who have verbal language to use their verbal requests on a daily basis. Once the system is in place in the school classroom, teachers can also encourage the parents to be part of the program, the intervention program, and use the functional communication in the home setting. We hope that this presentation was very helpful to the teachers at the Ellison School, and that this intervention of functional communication will be able to decrease many of the problem behaviors within the classroom. Thank you.